SOLUM, the frontrunner and innovator in the electronic shelf label industry, is proud to announce its latest technology, all new and improved. Newton. We developed the Newton system, a special protocol that delivers increased battery life, higher speed, and more possibilities. Changing batteries every 5 years is now a thing of the past. We've managed to increase Newton's battery life to an unparalleled 10 years. From now on, you'll be investing the same amount of money for double the battery life. Newton is up to 10 times faster than any other label on the market. 3,000 labels are updated in 5 minutes by just one gateway. Newton has virtually unlimited possibilities with more LED blinking, more user interaction, and more price updates. And what about durability? Yeah, we've thought about that as well. Labels can break for many reasons. They can be dropped, stepped on, or even hit by shopping carts. Newton is fully water and dust proof. You can put it anywhere, in the fish, meat, or garden sections. With its sleek and straightforward look, Newton adds a premium and modern feel to anywhere you place it. And to ensure your labels are always on brand, Newton allows for a whole new level of customization. Newton's resolution has increased by up to 30% compared to older models, and each label can store 7 different custom pages. Choose from 12 different sizes, covering almost all of your current paper label sizes. With Newton, you won't have to compromise. The built-in multicolor LED supports 7 different colors, and on top of that, this bright light is visible from a full 180 degrees. The LED enables easy product finding and indication for staff and shoppers alike. And thanks to the extended battery life, it's now possible to use LED blinking for several hours each day. 2 programmable buttons deliver more value and enable more user interactive functions than imaginable. Set custom commands like change page, call service help, report low stock, or send system reports. With free built-in NFC, you can easily implement mobile payments with self-checkout or link to product information pages and digital coupons. Newton's easy locking system makes sure that your labels are both securely installed and easy to detach. To save energy, the labels are delivered switched off and can be turned on by a simple press of the buttons. The renewed gateway for Newton, with a capacity of 50,000 labels and a communication radius of up to 30 meters. Its digital numbering system offers a modern and digitized look. Managers can easily identify the device by ID of the gateway. We know that cost efficiency is also important. The Newton USB gateway can simply be plugged into your computer, Wi-Fi access point, or even directly into an existing gateway. With our innovations when it comes to battery life, speed, and enhanced possibilities, we can promise you that you'll get even more in profit and cost savings. This makes Newton the top choice for you. But Newton isn't the end. Constant discovery and development